Yrteo 840. The rear garage offers a lot of space for such a compact motorhome. It is equipped with 2 doors. Both doors measure 58 by 104 centimeters each. Double bench seat with an extendable table. Next to the entrance door, there is an additional bench seat. The kitchen features a sink and a 2-burner stove. The 70-liter compressor refrigerator with reversible door hinge is located right next to the entrance door. The bathroom has a new compact washing area with a pivot shower. At the rear, there is a crossbed.